Weasel Pipes back again. Yay! Today we're back on the 1976 yz125 CDI and stator coils, and it didn't really go as I thought it was going to go, but you'll see as the video progresses. Here we are testing the coil for power output. It's the original one. See how it doesn't glow very much on the coil we're testing. Now we have the other coil in place, the new rewound one. It's our reference one. Now we're going to test the new one. As you can see, the power output's a lot bigger than the other one, so that was a success. Now we're going to put the timing light on the old coils to make sure I get the coils round the right way. And hello, what's happening here? Looks like the coils are around the wrong way. The marks are in the wrong position. That means the bike was never going to run with it mounted that way. So the coil was probably still work. Here are some drawings of the CDI. If you know what you're looking at, there should be enough in here to make your own one if you really want to. They're just direct copies of the original. And if you really want some proper copies of this or some more information about it, just post in the comments. Thanks for watching. See you next time.